Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe is the best pellet stove chimney kit on the market, the Pellet Stove Fresh Air Intake Kit. Whether you're a seasoned pellet stove owner or just getting started, this kit is designed to enhance your stove's efficiency while ensuring a cleaner burn. Let's dive into the features that make this kit a must-have for any pellet stove enthusiast. First off, the Pellet Stove Fresh Air Intake Kit comes with a 2-inch inside diameter, ID, aluminum flex pipe that stretches up to 60 inches. This provides plenty of length for most installations, making it versatile for different pellet stove setups. The flex pipe is durable, made from thickened aluminum to avoid brittleness and to ensure it can be bent and extended without damage. This is a huge plus, especially when trying to fit it into tight spaces or adjusting to the necessary configuration for your stove. What's great about this kit is its ability to improve your stove's burning efficiency. By providing an outside air intake, it helps regulate airflow and ensures that your stove is getting enough fresh air, especially when room ventilation might not be sufficient. This feature not only increases your stove's performance but also reduces harmful smoke and gases, creating a cleaner burn. This means you'll save fuel and reduce the environmental impact of your heating system. The kit is designed for easy installation, even for those with limited DIY experience. It includes everything you need: the flex pipe, 2 pipe clamps for secure connection, a square exterior plate, a wall plate screen, and a moisture barrier plate. The exterior plate also has a rain hood to protect the intake from weather conditions, ensuring your stove keeps running smoothly, no matter the outside elements. The heavy-duty mounting panels are made from 304 stainless steel, which is rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and heat-resistant. This ensures the kit lasts for years to come, even with regular exposure to the harsh conditions pellet stoves can create. The smaller grid on the wall plate screen prevents insects and debris from entering the system, keeping your air intake clean and functioning properly. Another feature that makes this kit stand out is its flexibility. You can install the intake in a location that works best for your setup, whether that's through a wall or another area that provides easy access to the outside air. The 2 included pipe clamps help secure the connection firmly, and the kit even comes with a detailed instruction manual to guide you through the process. All in all, the Pellet Stove Fresh Air Intake Kit is a solid investment for anyone looking to optimize their pellet stove's performance. Not only does it improve fuel efficiency and reduce smoke, but it also makes installation a breeze with its user-friendly design. If you're looking for an upgrade to your stove, this kit should be at the top of your list. That wraps up our review of this amazing product. If you're ready to improve your pellet stove experience, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations on the best products out there.